guys, welcome back to another video. Your girl got a package. Your girl got a package. And look what it say. Y'all can see that? Your girl got her glasses. Oh man, I'm so excited. I said, man, look, let me do a little unboxing. YouTube. Oh, that's only right. So I only ordered one pair. No shade to Dearra at all, but I'm not a color girl like that. So I got the black ones, the main events. If y'all know, y'all know. And bro, look. So once look how pretty already, y'all. Okay. Y'all, look how fucking, this is dope already. Look how it come. It's the details in a box for me, baby. It is the details. So your girl only got one pair, so they had to do a little stuffing. I understand. And it came with the glasses itself and my little packing slip. It's the box. Like, I really just want to keep the box, like, for real. Like, that shit is dope as fuck. Then it came with a little cord. It says, thank you for the support. I'm so grateful that I can finally share my first ever brand, Lorvae. Lots of love, time, effort, and coins went into creating my first collection. I hope it helps you not me messing up on words, confidence, and feel like the baddie that you are. Sincerely, Dearra, the real OG. Taylor with the website. And that's the card. So cute. And of course, your girl is Self. The real motherfucking OG. Bro, y'all don't understand. I really love Dearra. And we both some Aries. Like, that part. So, this is the box. It comes with the plastic. It's so pretty. It's the goal for me. So I got it right for y'all. Yeah. And then the back, it says contains one pair of sunglasses. And then it got the website and the address. Do that address? Yep, it got the address and everything like that. That is so cute. So we about to unbox, baby. We're unboxing. I don't want to tear the back. Oh, I'm tearing the box already. Try not to. Oh, there we go. Bruh, look at the box. It's another box. This is the case. This is some money well spent. Okay, now I understand why it was $85. Because, baby, just the packaging by itself cost some money. So, oh, look at my hair sticking out on my braid like that. But that's tacky. But, y'all, get into this box. Get into the box. Y'all, I bet y'all like, bitch, hurry up. Okay, all right, because I'm excited myself. So it's magnet. Okay. It comes in a little bag. It got the little white with the Lorvae. Y'all, I'm keeping all the boxes. I'm keeping all the Lorvae right here. All right, y'all. What we came here for. Lorvae right here too. She put Lorvae on everything. On everything. I'm surprised it's not on the plastic too, sis. Oh man. I'm so excited, y'all. It's the details for me. I feel like it's not gonna fit my face right. Look, we got main event right there. We got Lorvae on this side, and then we got the details on both sides. Y'all, it's the black and gold for me. And then they got Lorvae right here in the corner. Bitch. All right, y'all. Let's see. Please fit my face right. Please fit my face right. Let's see. Okay, I can dig it. it's the Instagram pictures for me that's about to be popping. You see that? It's the details for me. Main event. I love them. I love them. They is so fly. Like, these are so fly. I love these glasses. Thank you, Dearra, for the glasses. I love them. And y'all, these are $85, and she do have the 4 payment install. That's what your girl did. Like I was saying, they do have the 4 payment install plan. So if you don't want to spend the whole $85 at once, like me, you end up paying like 22 something. You end up paying 22 something a piece for 4 payments or whatever. And that is not bad at all. Like, if I was a fan of the other colors, maybe the khaki ones, but I'm so neutral, y'all. Like, I'm so neutral. Like, I like blacks, grays, whites. That's me. That's me for sure. But y'all, I really hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing with me. I couldn't wait. Like, I wanted to unbox this on my own, but I was like, why not show the girls how Dearra is coming, baby? But I'm loving this. I'm really loving this. So I'm probably gonna pretend to do an unboxing on what is it, TikTok? But just know that I did it with y'all first. Oh, darn, I'm gonna have to put my plastic back around my glasses right quick, right fast. But I do thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure y'all go copy y'all pair because y'all need a pair. Y'all do need a pair. I'm so glad I got my pair. Y'all, every time I went on the website, I could never, like, it was always sold out. And my homegirl, shout out to Lex for putting your girl on. She was like, Eesh, they got them. Go get your pair. And say less. I bought my pair within the next minute that she sent that message. So just know that Dearra does sell out quickly. But I just want to thank you guys for tuning in this video with your girl to, you know, so I can show off my little glasses. Like, cause I'm so excited. And guess what? Each gotta start taking more pictures, and I will. But thank you guys for watching this video with me. I said watching this video with me. Thank you guys for tuning in into this video. I really very much appreciate you guys. And catch me on TikTok because your girl about to do a unboxing on TikTok. I gotta make it look good. I gotta get some fur, little blanket or something to make the background look cute. But yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video because I'm gonna keep telling y'all thank you, and I really appreciate y'all. But bye.